Welcome to our channel. Netgear Orbi Pro SXK80 100NAS. Step 1. Unbox everything. Take out the router, the satellite, the power adapters, and the Ethernet cable. Place them on a flat surface so you don't miss anything. Step 2. Connect the router to the modem. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your modem and the other into the yellow Internet port on the Orbi Pro router. Step 3. Power up the router, connect the power adapter to the router, switch it on, and wait for the power LED to turn solid white. Step 4. Place and power the satellite. Choose a good spot for your satellite, somewhere that needs strong Wi-Fi but not too far from the router. Plug it in and turn it on. Step 5. Wait for LEDs to stabilize, give the router and satellite a few minutes. The LED lights will go through colors before settling. Solid means you're ready to move on. Step 6. Connect your computer. Now, use Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable to connect your computer directly to the Orbi Pro router. Step 7. Open the setup page. On your computer's browser, type orbilogin.com or 192.168.1.1 to open the Orbi Pro login page. Step 8. Log in. Enter the default admin username and password. These are printed on the label that came with your router. Step 9. Customize settings. Follow the setup wizard, create your own admin login, pick a Wi-Fi name, and set a password you'll remember. Step 10. Save and reboot. Click Save, let the system reboot, and wait for the LEDs to go solid again. Congratulations, your manual setup is done. Thank you for watching.